Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best backpacking knives out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 7. Petzl Spatha. The Petzl Spatha is our top pick in our guide to the best climbing knives, so we wanted to see how this lightweight, affordable knife held up to backpacking tests. The verdict? Compared to the other knives in our test, it's just decent. It didn't handle whittling or fire starting as well as most of the other knives we tested, nor was it the sharpest or quickest at cutting. We did really love the large carabiner hole for clipping the knife to our packs for quick access. If you already have or plan to buy the Spatha for your climbing gear, it can capably double as a backpacking knife. Number 6. Kershaw Leek. In our testing, the Leek was the sharpest right out of the box. It sliced through a sheet of paper like nobody's business and excelled at food prep. Its assisted open is sharp and snappy, and the frame lock felt solid and reliable. The tip lock that holds the knife closed is a nice added safety feature. The Leek was the heaviest knife in our test, not counting the ESEE Izula II, which could be customized for lighter weight. While we loved its performance and solid feel, it would be hard for us to justify dedicating 3 ounces in our pack for it. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best backpacking knives or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 5. Deejo Wood 37 grams. The Deejo Wood 37 grams is a sleek, lightweight, and well-designed knife with an amazing blade. It wasn't the sharpest knife in our test, but it more than made up for it with its long blade. It excelled at slicing through pretty much anything. Paper, cardboard, vegetables, cordage, the Deejo made quick work of it all. Because of its minimalist design, the Deejo Wood 37 grams initially felt a touch flimsy. It impressed us with how durable it actually was, though .The blade wasn't as stable as the Delica 4 during tasks like whittling wood or boring holes. Number 4. Opinel No8 stainless steel blade. Opinel is a French knife that's become iconic. For the price, this is an incredible knife. Its 3.353 blade was the second longest in our test and gave it a lot of cutting power. Although it wasn't super sharp right out of the box, it held up to all of our cutting tests surprisingly well. We could cut through a length of cardboard much faster than with some of the sharper knives. We loved slicing and chopping food with the Opinel. The Opinel uses the unique VeroBlock safety lock, where a metal ring twists to lock the blade either open or shut. Number 3. Spyderco Honeybee. The Spyderco Honeybee packs a lot of punch into a tiny package. In our paper test, it was one of the sharpest knives we tested. It was one of the slower knives in our cutting speed test, but that was mainly because of its tiny size. The blade still sliced easily through 2 feet of cardboard. The Honeybee was capable of whittling wood, although it was awkward and hazardous due to the lack of a locking mechanism. Still, it can get the job done if you really need it to. It was able to strike a spark on a ferro rod, though not easily, and with noticeable wear to the back of its blade. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best backpacking knives or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 2. ESEE Izula II. The ESEE Izula II was the only fixed blade knife in our review. It's designed for wilderness and survival usage and made by Randall's Adventure and Training, which started as a jungle survival school in the Peruvian Amazon. In other words, this knife is legit. Its blade wasn't the sharpest right out of the box, but it was the thickest and most durable. It even held up to some mild batoning, splitting wood, without chipping or wearing the coating. It's no camp hatchet, but it'll do in a pinch. Even without the full handle, the Izula was comfortable to hold. A simple paracord wrap made it even better. Number 1. Spyerco Delica 4. The Spyderco Delica 4 blew us away in nearly every aspect of our testing. This knife combines a light weight of only 2.5 ounces with a razor-sharp blade and a remarkably comfortable, solid grip. The Delica 4 opens and closes smoothly, and its thumb hole makes for easy one-handed opening. The knife feels extremely solid and well made. It was one of the sharpest knives right out of the box and sliced through a sheet of paper like butter. When it came to whittling wood and boring holes, the short blade and raised thumb notch made this knife feel easy and intuitive for detail work. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.